Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. You may also need a multimeter for electrical diagnosis. First, unplug the Dyson SV28 to ensure safety. Begin by removing the dust canister. Press the release button and lift it off gently. This exposes the internal components, allowing for easier access. Next, check for blockages in the air pathways. Use the soft brush to clear any debris in the inlet and exhaust areas. If you notice a significant amount of dirt, it may be time for a deeper internal cleaning. Now, let's address the screws. There are typically 6 Phillips screws securing the main body. Carefully remove them, keeping them in a safe place to avoid losing any. As you proceed, remember that if you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about your skills, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the main body. Be cautious, as there are wiring connections that may still be attached. If necessary, use the flathead screwdriver to help detach these connections. If you're uncomfortable with this step, don't forget, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. After disassembling, inspect the motor and battery connections for any signs of damage or wear. If the battery appears old or damaged, consider replacing it. You can find compatible replacement parts online or through your local retailer. It's also crucial to clean the motor area. Use the soft brush to remove dust buildup, which can affect performance. If you find any corroded connections, it's best to replace them. Before reassembling, make sure everything is clean and dry. Now, let's put everything back together. Align the main body and reconnect any wiring carefully. Replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this may strip the screws. Once reassembled, plug in the vacuum and test it. If it still doesn't work, it might be time to get a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your vacuum fixed without hassle. If you encounter any further issues during your repair, consult the user manual or consider reaching out for professional help. Regular maintenance can prevent many common problems, so be sure to clean your vacuum regularly and check for blockages. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.